Amazon tapir, lowland tapir. The Amazon tapir, also known as the lowland tapir, is one of the largest land mammals found in the Amazon rainforest. It has a strong, rounded body, short legs, and a flexible snout that works like a small trunk, helping it grab leaves and fruits. Its thick, dark brown skin helps protect it from insect bites and rough vegetation. This animal is mostly active at night and spends much of its time near rivers and swamps, where it swims easily to escape predators and cool down. The Amazon tapir feeds on fruits, leaves, and aquatic plants, playing a vital role in the rainforest by spreading seeds over long distances. Despite its importance to the ecosystem, the Amazon tapir is threatened by deforestation and illegal hunting. Protecting this gentle animal also helps preserve the rich biodiversity of the Amazon rainforest.